Hi students, a couple of you are still having difficulty embedding a calculator using HTML. And since I think this is a really important aspect of teaching with technology, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to do it. So this is a desmos graph that I was using just to figure out how to make vectors in the coordinate plane. So what I want to do is just save it here. And if you haven't seen the save function yet, you can see all of the different graphs that you've made, and then you can, save it so that you don't lose it, which is really handy to have. All right, so if I want to go ahead and put this in HTML, as I said, first I save it, then the next, I've got the same directions here that I shared with you. So the first thing you want to do is to copy this code and in a document. I mean, what I really meant was in a plain Word document or something like that. So I'm going to copy that down there. Then you want to get this URL here. So you're going to go here to the share graph. And you just want to copy just the link. You don't want to use the embed command. I know that seems ridiculous since that's what we're doing. And I honestly don't know why the embed command doesn't work, but it doesn't. So you're going to copy that, and then you're going to simply change that. You're going to erase the blue with the new coloring there. I mean, with the with the new link. Okay, just checking to make sure it went all the way. Yes, it goes to EP. All right. Then you leave everything else the same. Then you just copy this new. Now notice that this has borders. It has a height of 500 and a width of 1500. If that doesn't work, you can change them later. So now you're going to go to Blackboard. You're going to come here, and you might not see that HTML box at first. You might see just this. Click on these little down chevrons here. Now you click on HTML, and a little box shows up, and you just paste your code there, and then you say update, and hopefully it will show up. So now if you wanted to add something else, you can type it now that we're back out of the HTML box. So this was a great assignment. I wasn't sure how to make vectors. This helped me see that I needed to write to different equations with the same, with different x restrictions. Okay, I'll hit submit. And there you can see in the box here that it's showing up. And this actually looks like it fits pretty well, but if you wanted, you can go back under here and change the numbers. That means that I just changed the applet. So if you want to go back to HTML, you might want to say, what if I change that 500 to, let's say I change the 1500 to 1200. Let's see what happens then. If I say update and then submit, it looks like that made these a little bit smaller, which is pretty nice. Or maybe it made everything smaller. Anyway, you can play around with those if it's too big. So that's just what I wanted to show you in this video.